is PLA considered the top choice for 3D printing beginners? Because it resists warping, offers a high print success rate, and is incredibly user-friendly for newcomers. Our PLA filament is produced using high-quality raw materials, and through optimized manufacturing processes and formulations, we have enhanced both its toughness and printing smoothness. Moreover, the PLA material we use is FDA certified, meets food contact requirements, is biodegradable, and fulfills both environmental and safety standards. First up is PLA Basic, available in a range from essential colors to metallic finishes. Whether it's creative ornaments, home decor, or everyday maker projects, it handles them all with ease. But when you need to print something truly robust, that's where PLA Pro comes in. It retains all the advantages of standard PLA while achieving significant improvements in both strength and toughness. And the notch impact strength reaches over 6 times that of the base material. It's also more heat-resistant, features neatly wound spools for smoother feeding, and ensures reliable performance in continuous printing. It comes in 26 premium shades, including the iconic Hermes Orange. Whether you're printing tool handles, functional parts, or high-strength prototypes, PLA Pro is the dependable choice. Looking for efficiency and value? Meet PLA Lite. Made from a toughened polylactic acid-modified material, it maintains excellent rigidity and flexural strength while supporting high-speed printing compatibility. It runs reliably on most mainstream printers available today and has a fine matte surface texture. Thanks to formula optimizations that keep costs in check, it's a truly cost-effective option. Perfect for beginners who want to quickly prototype or tackle daily modeling projects. That wraps up our introduction to PLA. Stay tuned as we explore more filaments in upcoming episodes.